Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and congratulations! You made it through the first full week of school! So, you made it through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and today, Friday. You just got to get to the end of the day today to make it through the first full week of school. So, today is Friday, August 30th of 2019. We do have some morning announcements today, as well as a favorite of many students, the riddle of the day. So the riddle of the day is, what is bright but sometimes doesn't give off light? What is bright but sometimes doesn't give off light? If you think you know the answer and see me out and about, you can give me the answer and I will let you know if you're one of the first students to answer the riddle correctly. Students who answer the riddle correctly could go into a prize and get a prize. So there's one main prize and there's a couple smaller prizes for this week. Birthdays! I do have some September birthdays to announce since we do not have school on Monday. Did I forget to announce that? No school on Monday. So don't come to school on Monday. It's an observance of Labor Day, so there is no school on Monday. So birthdays. For September 1st, Anna Stanham. September 2nd, Maya Hart. And also September 2nd, Zarek Mizway. Happy birthday to all of you on your September birthdays. Lunch choices. We have pepperoni or cheese pizza. It's going to be one of the two. I just don't know which one it is. So it's pizza, regardless. You know you're getting some pizza. Ham melt or crispy chicken salad. And we have our pause samples today brought to us by 4th grade and Mrs. Williams' class.
Alright, boys and girls, it is time for our pause. So we have some suggestions here from 4th grade, Mrs. Williams' class today.
Respect the furniture. Don't talk about it. Get quiet in the hallways.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you very much.
Thank you guys, I appreciate that. And also a big shout out, a couple classes I wanted to give special recognition to. For 2nd grade, thank you 2nd graders for making sure that you're walking quietly in the halls, especially going back from lunchtime. So you guys were all very quiet and you walked to your classrooms. It's much appreciated. I really noticed that with many of you yesterday, so that was a great thing for you to do. Also, I want to send special thanks to Mrs. Foltz's 4th grade, who let me participate in their jam session in the morning and let me dance with them, so I appreciate that. I liked having that little dance party in the beginning of the day. I appreciated that. For our gratitude for today, I wanted to shout out this gratitude for today, which is all talking about having a good day. So, how can you make today a good day? So make sure you share with your elbow partner or a friend. How can you make sure that today is going to be a good day? And at this time, we'll take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it standing, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciated your help today for doing our announcements. And boys and girls, just remember, have a great day today. Make sure to share with somebody how you're going to make a good day today. No school on Monday. Enjoy your 3-day weekend. And I will see you out and about today if you have an answer to the riddle. Have a wonderful day.